Most people miss at least one of these Android settings, and your phone might be silently damaging itself every day. These small changes protect your battery, speed up your phone, and keep your data private. Even phone manufacturers admit they matter. Let's fix them right now. First setting, battery protection. Charging to 100% stresses your battery and shortens its life. Some Android phones, especially Samsung, have a feature that stops charging at 85%. Yes, 85% sounds low, but it actually keeps your battery healthier for much longer. Ignore this, and your battery could wear out months sooner. Open settings, battery and device care, battery, and turn on protect battery. Done, your battery just got a longer life. Second setting, diagnostic data sharing. Your phone may send usage info to the manufacturer in the background. This can drain battery and has little to no benefit. Turn it off before it drains more battery or leaks more data. Open settings, privacy, send diagnostic data, switch off. Third setting, system animations. This next one can make your phone feel instantly faster. Animations don't damage hardware, but they add tiny delays that make your phone feel slow, even on new devices. You know that lag when opening apps? That's it. Go to settings, accessibility, visibility enhancements, and reduce or remove animations. Apps open faster and your phone feels snappier instantly. Fourth setting, lock screen message previews. By default, messages show full content on the lock screen. Anyone nearby could read your texts or emails without unlocking your phone. Open settings, notifications, lock screen notifications, hide content. Only the app name shows, keeping your messages private. Most people miss at least one. Check yours now before it's too late and make your phone feel like new.